Google Pixel Fold unlocked Android smartphone versus Motorola Razr Plus 2023 unlocked made. Which one should you buy? Let's find out. Google Pixel Fold unlocked Android smartphone. Imagine folding down your phone to get a better look at a recipe as you cook dinner. That's the kind of flexibility the Google Pixel Fold brings to the table. It's perfect for creatives, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. With its powerful Google Tensor G2 chip and unique form factor, it's a great choice for those who need to multitask on the go, but it's not without its flaws. With a rating of 3.9 stars, it's clear that this device is still a work in progress. One of the standout features is its ability to take brilliant rear camera selfies and low-light photos, powered by Pixel's triple rear camera system and Google Tensor G2's advanced image processing. Motorola Razr Plus 2023 unlocked made. You know those moments when you need to quickly glance at a text or a map without having to physically open your phone? The Motorola Razr Plus makes that possible with its unrivaled external display. It's perfect for commuters, parents, and anyone who's always on the move. With its iconic flip design and advanced flex view capabilities, it's a game changer for those who want to stay connected without distractions. Capture like never before with its cutting-edge camera system, and experience a fully interactive 3.6-inch external display that's redefining what a flip phone can do. In the end, the Google Pixel Fold unlocked Android smartphone takes the crown for its impressive camera capabilities and long-lasting battery life, but the Motorola Razr Plus 2023 unlocked made is a close second with its innovative external display and flexible design. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.